Thank you for joining me again on Taste and See with D. Today I'm making my hell yeah sweet and sour ribs. All right, so I'm starting off with my marinade. So that was Coca-Cola that just went in, and then I have brown sugar, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to mix those ingredients up very well, and then I'm going to make sure that my rib is completely clean. All right. And then I'm going to pour the marinade over the rib completely, making sure that every inch of the rib is completely covered with the marinade. After it has set for 2 hours, you want to allow it to marinate for 2 hours. Then I'm going to wrap it up with saran wrap and aluminum foil. Okay. And then it's going to go in the oven for 3 hours at 350 degrees so that the rib can cook completely and get completely tender. So it's going to slow cook in the oven at 350 degrees for 3 hours. All right, so after it's cooked in the oven, okay, you're going to take it out, allow it to cool down first, okay? Then put it in the refrigerator overnight. The next day, get it out of the refrigerator, cut it into individual bones, because what we're going to do now is that we're going to season the rib up, right, with just a little bit of Lawry's seasoning salt, and then a little bit of pepper. And then we're going to fry our rib up with equal parts flour and equal parts cornstarch. So it's important that these ribs are completely seasoned. So after you add your flour and your cornstarch, season it up one more time with a little bit more seasoning salt and pepper. And then you're going to fry these up just like you would fry up pork chops. So fry these up until they are completely golden brown. All right, while those are frying, I'm going to make my barbecue sauce now. And really simple ingredients for this barbecue sauce is just sugar, rice wine vinegar, ketchup, and soy sauce. So I'm going to mix this up, put it on the stove at high heat, let it cook down. All right, and then so far my ribs are looking pretty good. Okay, so this is what they look like after they've come out of the fryer. So I'm going to put them all in a bowl now and then pour my sweet and sour sauce over them. So this is the part of the recipe that make you go, hell yeah, because I promise you, these are probably one of the best ribs that I've ever had. You cannot tell me that these ribs don't look like pure perfection. And they taste just as good as they look. All right. Well, I'm going to put the recipe in the comments, and I hope you guys use the recipe and let me know if you do. So I'll see you again in another episode of Taste and See with Dee.